The interactions between spins of neighboring magnetic nuclei in a molecule may cause multiple splitting or multiple NMR signal. This is the concept of spin-spin coupling. So, due to presence of another magnetic nuclei near to the any group responsible for difference in this NMR spectrum or splitting of the NMR signal. So this is explained by resolution spectrum of ethyl alcohol. So there are three different types of groups, CH3, CH2, OH. Show three bands corresponding to methyl group, methylene group and hydroxyl group. So the methyl group experience different magnetic environment due to the difference in their spinning motion of two protons present in the methylene group. So the molecular environment or magnetic environment experienced by the methyl group, it is in this different type of combination. So these two protons, they are from the methylene group, their spinning motion is different in this different combination. So in this case both the protons towards the magnetic field. In this case one proton towards the magnetic field, another one is opposite to magnetic field. Here again one is opposite, one is towards the field, and in last combination both the protons are opposite to magnetic field. So it is responsible for creation of the combination in proportion 1:2:1. So in low resolution, if one can take the spectra for this ethyl alcohol, one spectra for methyl group, another for methylene group, and last one is for hydroxyl group. This spectra appears here because hydroxyl group, the electronegative atom oxygen, it is responsible for shielding the proton, and these two, they are, as compared to this hydroxyl group, they are not shielded that much quantity. So the spectra looks like this. So why this type of combination takes place? So these two protons from methylene origin, they are having different types of spin motion, and depending upon their magnetic moment or spin motion, the spectra may split. So in spin-spin coupling, if at low resolution one can take the spectra, they are like this, but when we take the spectra in high resolution, they look like this. One for OH, then 4 for this methylene group, and 3 for this methyl group. So why it is so? In high resolution we obtain this type of spectra. So the splitting of the spectra is due to the whatever the magnetic environment experienced by the methyl group due to presence of the spinning motion of this methylene group proton, and at the same time there is different combination. Why these three spectra are obtained for methyl group? Due to the motion of whatever the magnetic field experienced by this methylene group. So in spin-spin coupling, the interaction between spins of neighboring magnetic nuclei in a molecule may cause multiple splitting NMR signal. So why the multiple splitting or multiple spectra are obtained? This is the structure of ethyl alcohol. These two protons from methylene group, this is from methyl. So the protons, their spinning motion, in this case they are towards the magnetic field. In one combination towards the magnetic field, opposite to magnetic field, again same, but this is opposite, this is towards the magnetic field, and lastly this D combination, both the protons opposite to the magnetic field. So the combination 1:2:1, so this combination are obtained and the spectra split into 4. So for this 1, 2, 3, 4 spectral lines are obtained because there are different spinning motions of methylene group spectra and the magnetic environment experienced by the methyl group. So we consider two diagrams here. One is low resolution and another one is in high resolution. So in low resolution, the spectra look like this initial diagram. Only 3 spectral lines are obtained. So they are like this. One is for OH, another for CH2, last one is for CH3. And in high resolution, the spectra is like this. 4 for methylene group and 3 for methyl group, one for OH group. So why there is splitting of the spectral line? Because due to the spinning moment of the hydrogen or whatever the protons present. So in case of methyl group, the neighborhood compound or neighborhood molecular magnetic nuclei is from this proton, and in case of methylene group, the neighborhood magnetic nucleus from these three types of the protons present in the methylene group. So this image when low resolution is there, this image when high resolution is there. So this is the concept of spin coupling. So the multiple spectra or multiple spectral lines are obtained because whatever the neighboring magnetic nuclei in a molecule may cause splitting of multiple lines or multiple spectral or NMR signals. It is due to the magnetic environment or magnetic moment is different because the spin motion of the protons which is present in near to the another proton environment. So due to their different motion, this type of combinations are takes place. This shows